Hi, my name is Prasad, and I would like to give a feedback about the AmiSignal, a buy-sell software, which I've been uh, having a demo, and I've also purchased it, and I feel it is very beneficial. I was initially trying to do a lot of analysis about breakout strategies and uh, every day for daily intraday trading, but it takes a lot of time for me uh, from my office work, which I regularly do, and that's the reason why I started looking at any software which will do it for me, and trying to search online and other feedback reviews on Google, etc. And most of them have been pointing out to AmiSignal. Then I tried to reach out to the number which was provided in the website, and I spoke to Mr. Amit, and he's been very supportive. And we had a demo for a couple of days. And after when I saw the demo, most of the time all the targets have been hit. I have rarely seen, and I can say I've never seen any of the trade which had a stop loss hit. It's very rare. Most of the trades that's shown in the AmiSignal, especially for the morning one, most of them hit their targets. For either first target, second or third targets. Most of the time I saw by afternoon we get the third targets hit, but sometimes you even get the three targets hit in the morning itself. So the accuracy with which the software predicts, or the volume and the kind of indicators it uses, it's pretty accurate. We can say more than 90-95% accuracy. And apart from that, when you need to exit. If there is a market, if there is a reversal, you know when to exit. There is indicators, the strength index indicators, which will show you that you can exit before markets actually coming down or going up, against the direction of your trade. So that will help you to lock your profits. The time you've spent for the trade, and then you lock your profit and you can exit before the market goes down or goes up in the against direction. So that being said, this software especially is very accurate, and then I have already covered the lifetime software fee that I've paid. I've already covered it, and I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty sure that I would be able to make successful trades using this software. And thanks to Mr. Amit, has been very supportive on installation and training, especially how does it work. And I've not yet tested the swing trade explorer. I've not yet tested it. Once I test it, probably I'll share another feedback. And thanks everyone, and try this software, and definitely it will make sure that you'll be very confident in trading.